Trick or treat. Trick or treat. Trick. Give me a treat. Hairy little monsters running down the hall, hiding in the closets where the spiders crawl. Glowing jack-o'-lanterns in a pumpkin face. Spooky decorations all over the place. Whoa, whoa. Halloween is fun and scary. Whoa, whoa. Trick-or-treating, lots of candy. I can be whoever I want to be when it's Halloween. Trick or treat?
Nah.
Grinning ghosts and witches flying through the air.
Huh?
Silly little goblins laughing everywhere. Don't be scared or worried. This is all pretend. Tomorrow it will disappear. Halloween. Whoa, whoa.
Come on in.
Halloween is fun and scary. Whoa, whoa. Trick or treating, lots of candy. I can be whoever I want to be when it's Halloween. Trick or treat. Trick or treat. Trick or treat. Trick. Give me a treat. Dressing up just like a mommy. So much candy in my tummy. If you are sad, it's over. Have no fear. Halloween will come again next year.